All the while I've been having all the men in this village, I have not tested a man of the gods who will use his physical and spiritual strength and give it to me the way I want it.
I don't understand what is going on. Onuma is a very busy man. You cannot hurt me here along the road, only to be staring at me, almost dancing. What is the problem?
Onuma, I know what I want to say, but I don't know how to say it.
Can you just find a way to say it? Anywhere at all. Just say it. Let me see if it is something I can handle here for you or something that I have to get back to my house to take care of. Just say it.
It is something you will handle here for me.
What is it?
Lagi.
Hey!
Yes,
Are you sick?
I'm not sick. Even if I'm sick of you. I want you to take me to a nearby bush. Hold on, let me. There is space here. Here is very perfect for the job.
Perfect for what?
Just for the job. I'll just bend for you like this.
Hey! Can you stop this nonsense? What is wrong with you?
Everything is wrong with me.
Listen, I forgive you. I forgive you because it is very obvious you don't even know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing.
But I know that the day of your liberation is coming. When that day comes, you are going to understand better. Stop this! Stop this!
I know that your manhood, Mbage, will be as huge as you are.
What?
Because look at you, you are very huge. Yeah, Mbage Gadikwa very huge. Just I'll bend way for you, Makulugi of Mona.
You are not okay. You are not okay. Ola, will you keep here? Hey!
I have not tested.
Listen, control whatever thing that is holding you.
I've not tested a man of the gods, please.
Hey!
Chineke, please, Onuma, please. Onuma, where show me from Azu. I'll just bend for you like this. It's not Azuponia. Okucha, I'm okay. Even if it's only the cap, just put it inside. I'll be fine. Hey, what's up, Obukwanu?
Mama, like I told you earlier, you will have no stress with me being your in-law. I will give you all you want. You will lack nothing. Your farmland will be taken care of. It will be my responsibility to supply foodstuffs and clothing to you. And you will be honored with a title of a great woman in my kingdom. And lastly, when you finally age and join your ancestor, I will make sure that I give you a befitting burial with 7 horses.
Hey! My prince!
Ask and it shall be given unto you.
My prince, you mean you will do all this for me? Hey! Thank you. Thank you. I am honored indeed. Eh? Thank you so much. I am short of words. I don't know how to thank you. This is a sign that the gods have decided to bless my family. I am grateful to the gods and to you, my prince. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mama. The gods always lead us to the right place.
Exactly.
That I'm here is because it's meant to be. So you have nothing to worry about.
I am not worried. Neither am I bothered. With you. You must be my in-law. You must marry my daughter. My prince. My in-law in the making.
Mama, that reminds me. Where is the drumbeat of my heart?
You never get tired.
Your manhood is echete enwewe ọṅụ.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Hope you like it.
I love it. Do you want us to go one more?
No, I'm okay. I've gotten enough. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You are sure?
I'm very, very sure. Okay. You are too sweet.
I will still see you in the evening.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
See you later.
Hello. We can na sorry. Na sorry. Hey, we need sumi na. Nibo na di mama.
Sonia, I'm tired.
Tired of what?
I'm tired of standing now.
No, you cannot say that rubbish. We will stand here to see where she's coming from.
Okay, see. Let's just look for a place to sit and wait for her. Maybe she will just find her way home.
Go home. I said I want to see what this girl is doing inside the bush. Do you know? Oh my goodness. I feel so good.
Madam.
Hey!
Oh, finally out.
You girls, so you girls are still here?
May the God punish your mouth for asking us that question. So you kept us here and then you went inside the bush to do whatever it is that you're doing inside that we don't know. That you explain to us and then you're telling us whether we are still waiting for you. No, we are not waiting for you. We're waiting for your spirit to come out. What are you doing inside?
I don't know why your blood is always hot. Onichi, stop this thing you are doing. Like I said, I'm sorry. Let's go.
Goroma, if I may ask, what are you always doing inside the bush with all these men? Just look at the way you're sweating. And what happened to your wedding?
Hey, please, enough. I don't understand. All this question for one person. Am I a child? Please, spare me that rubbish.
No, you're not. Obviously, you're not. You're
not.
Please. You can never be a child. Anybody that will mistake you for a child in this village, I will burn that person.
It's okay.
How can she be a child coming from inside? She's not. She will
let's
never be
go,
a child.
Let's go.
Go to where?
Yeah, let's go.
No, the end point where that boy is going to be. I'm going.
Follow the boy. Maybe
She went out earlier with her friends, but she should be back by now.
I wish I saw her, but I'm set to leave now.
It's okay. I will tell her you came. Huh?
Oh, here she comes.
Mama. Oh. Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, my love. You will live long. Mama and I was just talking about you.
Yes. He has been here since waiting for you. And he also brought us some gifts, so thank him.
Thank you so much, my prince.
It's nothing. It's a pleasure.
Oh, let me allow you to talk.
Mama, help me keep this inside. Let me see.
Thank you, my love. Mama, I'll see you some other time.
All right. Bye-bye, my friends.
Thank you. How are you?
Thank you.
Why is Abid always cutting? Does it mean she's getting big or what? Or she has overgrown this?
You know where is that?
Charokwa. You know that the prince carrying those things that he's carrying, he's going to Nkoroma's house.
Of course I'm aware now.
You are aware?
You know she attracts important and high-profile suitors. Remember that year she rejected our prince, saying that she's not ready to get married, she's not ready to leave her mother. But you know, I like her simplicity. I like she's so simple. Oh, yes.
So she knows that so many suitors are coming to ask for her hand in marriage. And she's busy sleeping around in this one.
Stop now.
What is it?
Will you bring down your voice now?
Are you okay? Keyo. Stop what? You think, okay, this is why you're covering my mouth. How do I know? How did I get to know about it? Because everyone in this village, they know of her recent behavior. Everyone in this village knows she's busy sleeping from one man to another. Everybody knows that she knows all the bushes in this village. Am I shouting? I'm not shouting.
You're still shouting.
I'm not, okay, I'm shouting. I don't know that I'm shouting. It's why you're talking to me that you're making me look like I'm shouting.
You're making me to start shouting too. I don't want that.
Talk to your friend though. See, I'm advising you now because I know she's your friend. Talk to her.
She's our friend. Even me, I'm even ashamed of saying it. But you're not. You're just shouting. Shout like a baby.
I'm shouting.
Yes, now.
It's like this time. If I shout, you know that Onyinye is shouting. If I shout now that she's busy,
stop this drama. It's not necessary. What is wrong with you?
Sometimes she's my friend. Sometimes. All this behavior cannot be like this.
Think of what I'm saying to this girl. Fear what?
My friends.
My love, what do you say about my proposal?
I've got a proposal, eh? I want you to come and take me to your ways. Eh?
No, you cannot go with me now. It's already late. You will not be able to return.
Who cares? Who cares? Did I tell you I even want to go back home? My prince, I want to go to your chambers. Let us have good time together. I'm so sweet in the middle. You will love me. You will love it.
Broma, time shall come when we'll do all that. But for now, we need to do the right thing.
The time is now. Are you the one that will tell me when to enjoy myself? My prince, let's go and do this. Trust me, you will enjoy it. I'm so sweet in the middle. And Mato go. Let's go.
As the prince of Akika Kingdom and a highly traditional man, I need to maintain some certain level of sacredness. I cannot live with a woman now. Especially now that my final ritual is coming up.
My prince, stop saying this thing now. Stop this thing you are saying. Are you not man enough? I'm giving you myself for free. And me for free. I don't like it.
We shall do all that when the time is right.
The time is now. If you're not man enough, you go. Even if the guy alone, you tell me what is this? I'm so sweet in the middle and I'm offering you myself for free. You're here rejecting me. I don't understand. Why are you rejecting me? What is this now?
Roma, listen. You need to calm down.
Calm down what?
We will do all that when the time is right.
The time is now. The time is now. Please. I'm telling you that the time is now. I need you, my prince. Please. I'm very sweet in the middle. You will love it. Let's go. I see you are not man enough. No, it's like you're not man enough. Are you sure your manhood is even working? Is even active? What is wrong with you? I don't understand. Acting as if you're not man enough. My
prince. Young lady, please, you have to go. No, please, you have to go, eh?
I'm sweet in the middle.
Next time, you have to go, young lady. You have to go,
Both of you are not man enough.
Huh? Not now. My prince, what is happening? Eh? Look at a beautiful young maiden asking you to Taram Uria. Eh? It is asking you to swim down her Sukumi and you're acting like this. Eh? What is happening, my prince? Do you know why they called me Ukunu? It's because of this opportunity. I'll just grab it. I'll grab it in time for joy for. Huh? My prince, where are you going to? This is the opportunity I'm looking for. If it is me, my friend got here, the whole kingdom will scatter. Huh? What is happening? Oh, please wait for me.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, who is there? Hold on. Oh, yeah.
Greetings, Mama.
Nice to meet you. Who are you and who are you looking for?
I am here to see Mporoma.
Mporoma.
Yes, ma'am.
Mporoma is not around. I hope there is no problem.
Not at all. There's no problem. Well, I came to return this to her. It caught the other time and she wasn't around.
Where did her waist bead cut that you have to return it back to her?
I saw it.
Help me! What kind of thing is this now? Look at the way you are breathing.
She was actually running to the stream. Yes, she was actually running to the stream.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why is her bead always cutting? Huh? Does it mean she's getting fat or what? That means I'll have to make it longer. Huh? But if her bead cut now, she knows.
Ukunno. My prince. Hey.
Uku. Have you seen any of the maidens around?
Oh, yes. They have all gone. They will come back later in the day to prepare your meal.
That is fine.
My prince, I wanted to ask you something. I want to know why you do not behave like your father, the white lion. Eh? Didn't look like a white lion, your father. What is happening?
Uku, how do you mean?
My prince, the maiden. I'm still talking about what I said earlier. How can a maiden give herself willingly to you and you rejected her? Why? Mpoloma for that matter. A maiden called him Mpoloma, or say Prince Mpoloma, and you rejected her for nothing. Huh? Hey, my prince, no. No, this is not it.
Sometimes I wonder if you have sense.
My prince, this is wisdom talking to you. This is sense talking to you. Eh? This is sense talking to you in Uku way. My prince, are you there? Are you with me? Prince? Can you say me eh? Biko, tabaze no one. Prince ta no one. Eh? Ta no polum na okwa nwa na agru gegu. Prince ta no polum. Grab it.
Uku, Uku, please. You need to give me some space. When I need you, I'll call you.
I should hang around with one of those maidens.
Uku, please go. I need to think.
But my prince, before I go, Tanwa. Tanwa.
Uku, I said I need to think.
It's okay. Let me go. Let me go.
What nonsense are you talking about?
I will not marry the prince, Mama. I will not marry him. I will not. He's not man enough. He is not man enough. And it's not by buying us gifts, though. He thinks it's by carrying gifts and coming to our house. To bribe who?
I don't get it. What do you mean it's not by buying us gifts and he's not man enough? Are you trying to insult him or what?
Mama, I know what I am saying, though you will not understand. But I personally know what I'm saying. I will not marry the prince. I will not.
This particular one we are talking about is not like other ones you rejected. Now listen to me, Uroma. You see this one? He is not going anywhere. Yes. You must marry him.
I must marry the prince.
Yes.
Okay, Mama, let me tell you something. Get ready to get married to the prince because obviously I will not marry him. You will not understand. You will not understand. But I will not marry him. That is it. I will not. Because
what is wrong with him, Oroma? What has come over her?
It is established that when they get confused, they consult the seer. And the seer is the one who should be seeing and explaining things to them. What is this thing that has brought him before me that I am not seeing anything about? Eh?
It's not a message. It's a disturbing issue about the prince.
What is it, Onyekachi? The one who of all the names on earth has decided to be called Upu.
Nah.
What is it?
How can a maiden be giving herself freely to the prince, asking the prince to Tamporia, asking the prince to go down her Sokome, and the prince rejected?
Shut up! Shut up and mind the kind of rubbish you say before me. Is this why you are here? If the prince has decided to be living a decent life, will he be bothered?
No. I just want to confirm that his manhood is working. Huh?
And they told you that if you want to confirm that someone's manhood is working, that Onuma is the one that they have to consult?
Onuma Bala Mafa. Bala Mafa, Onuma Bala Mafa.
Get out of my compound. Is this why you come here?
Onuma, ask the boss now. Ask them.
Come on, get out of this place.
You want to convert the Onuma Niwe on me?
What kind of rubbish is this? Have you people reduced the seer to a seer that will be seeing nonsense? What is this?
Why are you laughing?
Emeka, if you want to eat something, eat with pride. Emeka, if you want to eat something, eat so that everyone will know you are eating something. Emeka, I still don't know why you are laughing, what you have in mind, or what you want to say. You think I don't know how you have been sneaking in and out with that maiden inside the bush? All this while, she has been pretending to be a good maiden. I have found out that she is a loosed maiden.
I am very tired and I need to go home.
But wait. Now that you found out that we are sleeping with the same maiden, Nyantasia, Eta, Ngomicha, Ngome, Mvosacha, Evosa.
What have you achieved?
I have achieved a lot, Emeka. At least you are eating the same maiden. I'm equally eating the same maiden. So to other boys in this village.
Like I said, I am tired and I need to go home.
Go well. But I hope you will not go behind to take another round with that maiden.
Obinna, even if I go another round with her, I will keep it to myself like a man.
I do not talk like a woman like you. You can tell everybody when you sleep with her, not me. Go as you've said. Don't go around meeting that maiden again. Nonsense.
My prince, please, you have to calm down, oh? Trust me, she must give you a response very soon. And I believe her response must be a positive one.
At least let me see her and talk to her. That is what I want now.
She's always going out these days with her friends. They said they are learning new style of beading. And I allowed her to go with them to learn it.
In that case, you have to inform her that I was here.
I will do just that. I will do that. But be rest assured that you must marry my daughter. I'm not going to go. And you in-laws.
Mama, I know I can always count on you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my prince. I am preparing something. I hope you wouldn't mind. Stay and eat it.
No, thank you, Mama. I will have to take my leave.
Is it because it's not the type you eat in your palace or what?
Mama, not that. My appetite would have increased if I had seen the love of my life in Buruma. But all the same, thank you.
I understand. No problem.
I shall take my leave now.
Bye-bye. Oh?
Thank you, Ma. Are you okay?
Please help me.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Are you fine now?
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. So you're fine?
Yes, my prince. Thank you.
So, the prince wants to marry you?
That is it, though. But the thing is that I'm not even interested in the prince.
What?
He's just stressing himself. I'm not interested.
Of
please.
course, to you, he will be stressing himself while you're busy.
Onya, please.
What?
You don't have to voice it out like that. It's not here.
Well, you should inform her that we know.
Know about what? I don't seem to understand what people are talking about.
It's nothing. Yes. Don't mind me.
What do you mean, don't mind me? Tell her that we know that, the things she's been hiding, that we know. You touch my mouth. If I carry you up, I will land you in pieces. I will land you like your body will be in pieces on the ground. Touch my mouth again.
Please, just stop now. What is Onyechi talking about?
Nothing.
Nothing?
It's nothing.
Okay, fine. No problem. You know what? You people can start going. I want to do something.
You want to do something?
Yes, I want to.
You should have thought about that. Oh. Yes, you should have thought about that. I'm going from one bush to another. You know all the bushes in this village.
What? What is it?
Do you not know all the bushes in this village? You do.
Are you?
Mama, don't mind me. You know how she behaves. She likes talking, blah, 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 blah. And she will say so many things at the same time without making sense. So just let it be. Okay? It's okay. Yeah?
Be going.
Even me too.
Go. Be going. Go, please. Let me do some. Bush. What is wrong with her? Why would she speak to me like that?
Of course, you should know that she's upset with you. But she's not going about it the right way. But Mama, let me ask you. Why have you chosen to turn this way? Why? What is wrong with you? Or you think we've not seen you walking in and out of the bush?
Please. Biko, wadieba, jidie. What is that? It is my life. Yes, it is my life. You will not tell me how to live my life.
Of course, I know it's your life. But we are friends. Just like the saying, show me your friend and I will tell you who you are.
I don't even want to be your friends anymore.
Really?
Yes, please. You girls should let me be. This is my life. You will not dictate to me how to live my life. Mind your business. Now get out.
Are you aware that people are pointing fingers at you?
It is none of my business. I don't care. I don't care. Did I steal from them? No. Did I kill? No. What is all this now? What is this? You can't tell me how to live my life. I am an adult. Do you understand me? What rubbish. Please leave. I want to do something for my mother. Please leave. Like I said, I want to do something for my mother. Just get out.
Mom, this is serious. Or should I say I don't really know my friends? Like I don't know their behavior. Onyinye all of a sudden started acting weird. Now Muruma of all people. No, you can't tell me nothing. Something is seriously wrong somewhere.
Muruma, come back here. Muruma, what has come over you? Why exhibiting this character? This is not you.
What did I do?
Look at you. You no longer do anything in the house. You go out anytime and come back whenever you like. Even the bits you said you're learning with your friends, you no longer go out to learn. Okay, what is going on?
Mama, please, I don't have time for all this your talks right now. I'm going somewhere very important.
Mama, come back here.
Oh, you're disturbing me.
Listen to me. We don't have water in the house. So go in there, go and fetch water.
Mama, I am on my way out. I have a very important place to be.
Excuse me. You are not going anywhere. Listen to me. Go in there and fetch water. Go and fetch water. What's it, so?
I will do no such thing, Mama.
I am an adult. You don't tell me what to do, Mama. What is all this? What?
Uruma, I am your mother and I will tell you what to do.
No, Mother. You will do no such thing. I am an adult. I am no longer a child. You don't decide what I do with my life. Please, let me be.
Uruma, I said you should go in there and carry the pot. Go and fetch water.
I will do no such thing, Mother. I am going somewhere very important. Come and stop me.
Are you telling me that my daughter, my own daughter, has been sleeping around with different men in this village?
I am telling you the truth. We are ashamed of her. That's why I came to tell you. At least if you get to talk to her, she can control this going from bush. Your daughter knows all the bush in this village.
Will you shut up? Why will you lie against my daughter? Huh? Why? Why are you telling lies about her?
Why would I lie against your daughter? She's my friend and I love her. Now let me just be honest with you. I am looking out for my friend and I don't want her to know all the bushes. No need of that because she knows all the bushes in this village and she knows them with different men. Like different men inside the bush. The things they do. But I don't want to say it. Why I am here is for you to talk to your daughter. I love her so much and I don't want to see her with different men. It's not good. Now where is your daughter? You don't know. I know. Come, let me go and show you where she is.
We are here now. So where is she? Huh? I told you you're lying and you said you're not lying. Where is she?
Now, what do you think? She's calling me
me your sis, you're not demanding. Eh, let me go. I'm telling you to do it. Eh? You can bend the rubber. Hey! Mama!
Mama! Ha! Mama! What are you doing?
Let me do here. Come on, come through here. Mama, wait. No. What is this? Mama, why are you an intruder now?
Are you mad?
Let me cheat you here. What on Agushi?
You know, you what, okay?
Mama, to not come on, Kobiko. No, Mama, oh, Mama. Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Mama,
what is it?
What has come over you? Why have you decided to disgrace me like this? What have I done to you?
Mama, why did you not allow me finish what I started now? Eh?
You're still not remorseful for what you did. I should have allowed you to finish what you've started.
Mama, I was just enjoying myself now. Is it bad for me to enjoy myself? Mama, let me tell you, that young man is so good. He's so good at what he does. People go say,
you shut up and stop talking.
Mama, he's so good. And can we give you from where Rona? Hey! Mama, osimu bololi ekem. Mama, it's not like I'm just telling you what was going on.
I'm not remorseful of what you just did.
Mama, why will you stop me from enjoying my life now? The enemy of progress.
No, please, my daughter, stop it.
Stop what? Stop what? Now working on it. No, go see me, okay? If you don't know, Tom, get that. Only boom, lele. I'm Mama, no.
Stop collecting.
Go see me, okay? Oh, Jim, no. Mama, leave me alone.
Hey! Popala makatiro kukakyo. I've become a laughing stock in this village. My enemies have gotten me. Look at it.
I've seen this face before. To what do I owe this visit?
Just a friend. Just a friend passing by, and I decided to bring this to you.
I cannot remember having any personal relationship with you that warrants you bringing me food.
My prince, this is a kind gesture.
Young maiden, state your mission and leave.
But I do not have any mission. I will leave this for you here. I'll be on my way. Bye.
Come back here and take this thing. I said come back! Uku!
My prince.
Take these things. Return it to that maiden that just left. Huh? Fast! I said take it and return it to her!
Let me check what is inside, my prince. I cannot just return. Hey! my prince. Let's not be doing this now. So many maidens come around you, but you rejected them all. It's not good. Huh? Look at this Hanunchi. And they're asking me to return it back to the maiden. No, it's not good. It's not good, eh? If you don't want to eat this food, I will eat it. Let's not return it. Huh? My prince. Obidike. Hey! Oku, Valencia. Hey, my prince, see now. See bushmeat. Hey. My prince.
Oku. Do you know that maiden that brought this food? Don't you think something might be inside?
No, my prince. We are protected by the powers that guide the palace. Nothing can happen to Uku. Not at all. The bushmeat is bushing. My prince, come and join me.
Are you sure you are normal?
I'm very, very okay on the chair. On the chair. Oh no.
Onye, why are you like this? Like what? Why did you have to tell her mother?
Are we not her friends? We did the right thing. It's better her mother hears it from us than she hears outside.
Are you supposed to tell her mother? Of course you know that she's definitely going to have sleepless nights.
It's fine.
That's not nice. We are friends. We can even handle it ourselves.
Come. What is your business? I don't understand. What is your problem? That I helped my friend. Why is that paining you? Can't you just help your friend and be honest? Now that we helped her, why is it paining you? It's like you're becoming a wicked girlfriend though. That is what you're looking. Yes now.
Me or
yes,
you?
Where are you going
or
to?
You?
Where are you going to?
Onye, what is this? What is this, Onye? Water pot, right? I'm going to fetch water. And you know it.
I advise you as a very good friend that I am. The same way I advise Nkoroma's mother, you called me a wicked person. Let me advise you. It's free of charge. You're talking too much. It's not good for a maiden like you. You talk too much.
Onyinye. Hey, this girl is so mischievous. Are you sure she's not going to the prince to tell him the same thing she told Nkoroma's mother? No, I have to stop her. Onyinye!
My prince, I would never lie to you. The maiden you're about to get married to, she's not worthy of you.
You are not in any position to tell me of a maiden that is worthy of me. Is that why I've been seeing you lately?
Okay, I am here to save you. Don't you understand that she's
I don't want to hear more words from you. Just leave. I said leave my presence.
But I can't.
Leave!
I have evidence. Just hear me out. If you just hear me out.
Ogbu! No! Take this thing out of here. Take her out.
Huh?
Take her out!
Take her. Very peaceful maiden. Oh, my prince, you are looking at me. I don't know. I'm not the one that provoked you.
Hey!
Sorry, my prince. Sorry. So, okay. My friends.
You this maiden. What are you doing here? I've told you that I don't want to hear whatever you want to tell me.
My prince, I understand you see me as a bad friend, but I am not. I am just looking out for you. Please just hear me out. The woman you want to get married to, she's not the woman she says she is. Oh. She's a very different woman and you will not like what you will see. Oh. Just come with me. Let me show you so you see what I'm saying.
I am not interested to see whatever thing you want to show me.
My prince, if you can let go of your anger. Let go of your anger and follow me. You get to see what she's been hiding. She's a very dangerous woman, my prince. You need to come with me. At least give me a benefit of the doubt. At least this once. Hear me out.
Do this thing now. Do this thing. Benumokwe bikonu. Nwachitoni, only the cap. Just put the cap. Rub it on the surface. I'll be okay.
Don't worry. Have I not told you that my father sent me for an errand?
Have to go to your father. Don't worry. I will give you a good position. Listen. I'll just bend. Just put it inside. Just like this. Oh yeah. Put it now.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
I don't like what you are doing. Please now. You cannot. No. Please just put it inside.
I'm going to look around. Here
Please
is
now.
not safe. Here is not safe. Here is not safe. You don't understand. My father sent me for an errand. Please, I need to go. We'll do some other time. Please.
Papa, so sila motu kan na yogi kon when you ozo. So sila motu. Just do me.
My father is looking for me.
You will enjoy my auto. Very sweet.
I know. We will do it later.
I am so sweet though. I am sweet in the middle. You will enjoy me.
No.
Please now.
No.
Are you not the man? What's wrong with you?
My prince, wait now.
Why would you live like... you want to show me? I've seen it. Is that all?
Yes, but then again, you can't tell me that you're angry about that thing. flirting with that boy inside there. You're angry about it. Why?
I should be happy. No, I should be happy. Or better still, go back there and stand, watching them sleep with each other.
No, but I wanted you to see that I'm not lying to you. I was being honest and truthful all this while.
What have you achieved? You're happy, right? Now listen to me. You are not the kind of woman I want to be seen with. I don't want to see you anywhere close to me again.
My prince. No, it's not I understand. It's juju. There is nothing you want to tell me. It's juju. Because... My prince! My prince, wait!
Hey! I'm so happy. Ah, my prince. Ah, you're here.
So this is who you truly are.
I don't understand.
I thought you were decent. You were comfortable in the bush, begging a man to have you.
Hey, please! Hold it right there. Are you married to me? The last time I checked, I am not your bride. Yes! Are you married to me? No. Am I your bride? No. So why all these questions? Why? Listen and listen real good. I am an adult. I will live my life the way I choose. You will not tell me how to live my life. Besides, I asked you to give it to me earlier. You rejected me. You were acting as if what you have down there is not active. Now I went to get it elsewhere. You are crying. Why are you complaining? Why?
You're proud of yourself.
Of course, I am proud of what I do. As long as it makes me happy, your opinion is pointless. Do you understand that?
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's the audacity for me. I was begging you earlier to have me as you wish. You are forming the prince of Akika kingdom for me. I don't even know if that thing you have down there is active. Now I want to get it somewhere else. You are telling me that you saw me in the bush. What is your business? Please. I will live my life the way I want. Nobody will tell me what to do.
I cannot let her go just like that. I love her so much.
My prince. My prince, ever since you returned from Adaeze kingdom, you have been bothering yourself because of that maiden. If she did not want to be yours, then let her be and stop bothering yourself too much.
Uku, I am fine.
No, you are not fine. I am the one to answer to the king, your father. Please, you should stop going to Adaeze kingdom. Please.
You cannot tell me what to do. If I tell you that I am fine, then so be it. What is wrong with you?
Hey. What are you going to go to her? Yeah. Huh? What is wrong with this? Huh? What is wrong with yourself? You are shouting for Uku. Number one Uku in this kingdom. It's okay. Aye.
What is it?
My prince. Uku needs to attend to the call of nature.
How many times are you going to do that today? What did you eat?
My prince. As many as possible. Uku needs to attend to the call of nature. If you see my stomach, you will know that I need to attend to the call of nature every time.
Go and do that and return in a good time. If you waste time, I will leave you.
No, I will not. I'll be back.
Hurry up.
What is happening now? What he did was very risky. What if that stick hit the prince?
I would never hit may the gods forbid. I can never make that kind of mistake. Even if I'm sleeping. In my dreams, I would never hit my prince. I was targeting you and I knew it was you I was going to get.
So, Why do you come here?
Look, why are you talking like this? Why are you behaving like this? We had an agreement now. Eh? Have you told the prince that I am the best maiden for him? That I will bring him true happiness and I will be ready to bear sons for him? When you talk to the prince, tell the prince that I love him. Tell the prince that I'm willing to go through the ends of the earth for him. I will swim across the ocean. Anything it takes for me to take care of him, I will do it. You tell the prince for him. It was because of him I was brought into this world.
Are you sure you can do anything?
Look, I said anything.
Okay, before you swim across the ocean, can you allow Uku swim down your Sukumi?
And it will get me the prince.
Yes!
Let's go.
Huh?
Uku, do you want to do it? Uku, let's go. Uku, lie down, let me know they will see us here. Come, let's go. Come. Let's go inside.
Wait, just like that. Maidens like you are blessed by the gods, so but calm down. Yes.
Okay.
You have the energy. But calm down. Wow!
Uku.
Yes?
You want to see more blessings?
I want to.
Uku, you want to see more blessings?
Bless me.
Follow me.
Okay.
Go.
I don't know what he's still doing in that bush. He knows we'll have a long way to go. And we're already late. Whenever he's done with whatever he's doing, he should come and meet me in the kingdom. I'm leaving.
Bro, what is wrong with you? I mean, what has gone wrong? This is not you that I know.
I mean, don't you care about what the villagers are saying about you?
You know what? It still baffles me how you are so concerned about how I live my life. How is that your business? Are you my mother? No, I want to know, are you my mother? How I live my life is none of your business, Adanaya. Mind your business.
What is my business? And you know it. How? It's my business because you are my friend.
Oh, really?
And I do not want them to start seeing me the same way.
Then back off! Yes! You can stop being friends with me. I don't care. Did I beg you to be my friend? Really? Did I beg you to be my friend? No! So please, leave me alone. Listen, let me tell you something. I am enjoying my life. Yes. I am having fun. Girl, you don't understand how happy I am. Let me tell you something, Adana. If you leave me, go stylish. You will just bend like this and then hang your back. Okay, you will enjoy it, eh?
You know I am ashamed of you. Just listen to yourself. All of a sudden you've become so loose. Oh, what? I am ashamed that I am your mother.
Did I beg you all to be ashamed on my behalf? Did I beg you? Leave me alone. I'm an adult. I have the right to live my life the way I want it. So please, Wadia, help me, Arabiko.
Ezioku. Did
I kill? I did not kill. I did not steal. So we can nebe. What is all that?
You know what? The gods will bear me witness, Muroma, that I did not raise you up this way.
The gods will also bear me witness and so we can nebe. So we can nebe. What is all this now?
Please just stop. Can you just...
So we can nebe. What is there? I don't understand. Are you an enemy of progress?
You know what you just caused now?
We style one man be munya.
You go back. You put my boss back. Go to get back. You're not good again. You're not okay.
Hey! And we still talk.
Ogini, what is it? If you have something to say to me, say it now. Ogini can't kill him like that. Ogini, what is it? Talk! Ogini.
That time. Where have you been?
What is all these questions all about? This is the second time you're asking me these questions. Can you get to your point? I have somewhere important to be.
You know, we agreed on talking to Oroma today. But you didn't show up. And you were not at home. Where have you been?
Charokwa, this is why you decided to disturb my peaceful afternoon. Or where? Since you want to know where I have been, I went about my business. And it's none of your business. Biko, avoid me.
Because I know you from childhood. We grew together. Onya, I know you have been avoiding Oroma. I know it. You cannot deny it.
Okay. Grandma. My grandmother, since you know me from childbirth, since you're not my grandmother. Excuse me, ma.
Onyinye. Come on. Onyinye, Mwata. This is not the... What is wrong with this girl now? Onyinye. See, let me tell you, I'm the only one to tell you the truth. What you're doing is not good.
My prince, please be fast about whatever you want to say. I'm going somewhere very important. Please.
I guess you are hurrying to go to the bush to meet one of your numerous men. Or better still, all of them.
How is that your business, if I may ask?
Oroma, you are a beautiful woman. You should have your pride intact.
I don't care. I don't care. And hey, let me tell you something. Whichever way I choose to live my life is none of your business. Besides, I offered myself to you on a platter of gold. You refused. You were forming the prince of Akika kingdom. Let me tell you something. Since you refused to give me your manhood to test, please stop complaining that I'm giving it to other men. Biko.
Oroma, listen. I want you to know that I love you. And you have to stop all this.
Oh, see? Listen to me, my prince. Adima Akaikolov, do you understand? You could not give me your manhood. You could not satisfy me. You could not give me what I requested for. And you're here asking me to stop giving it to other men. Why? Aren't you being selfish right now? No, tell me. You are being selfish. Listen, you said you love me, right? You want to marry me. And you could not allow me test your manhood to see how strong and brave you are on bed. And you expect me to marry you. The same way you men would want to test a maiden before getting married to them is the same way I, Oroma, wants to test your manhood to know if you are capable of keeping me as a wife. To know if you can satisfy me on bed. Where did I go wrong? No, tell me. You're speechless. Please, I'm going somewhere very important.
What is wrong with her?
I can see the time has come. The gods have their own ways of passing their messages across. This one, you are in my kingdom. I hope it is for good.
I came for a purpose. Great lion of Akika kingdom. Why are you afraid?
I am not afraid of you, for you are a man wallowing in evil. You breathe evil. You sleep evil. And you eat evil. Because of the kind of life you are living, I am telling you to your face, you are not going to live for so long.
You are always preaching against evil. If there are no people like us to render justice to the guilty ones, what would they do?
You know, even from the very depth of your heart, you know you are talking nonsense. A word is enough for the wise. Desist from this kind of life you are living. That is if actually you want to live long. I may not be able to give you this advice again.
I am the great Iroko, the great masquerade. I am the Onike.
Yeah.
Ogodo di maluku. Mwasikwa ogodo onye odu eme nye nene. Alama tokolo.
You stand before me and refer to yourself as a masquerade. And that is because you don't even know what the masquerade looks like. When the masquerade appears, you are going to run.
Whilst I possess the power, I will do as I want. Ngobozi aki ichelum. Mbosi ntaka icho na owele nchi. Anukwu ichoba kwamo. Ichoba kwamo. Anukwu imaru nom nyami iwe. Ipata kwa egbe. Ipata egbe onye ya agba iwe. Yijide mma. Yijide mma ogi ya agba iwe. Anukwu ichoba kwamo. Ichoba kwamo.
The time has come for the commencement of the final ritual. And this ritual is going to last for 100 days. Are you aware?
I'm aware of that, and I am prepared.
Are you equally prepared that after 100 days of this ritual that you are going to go back to the palace? I am informed that you are aware. The Majesty must have explained this to you already. That after the end of the ritual, you are supposed to pick one maiden as your wife. And the maiden you are going to select as your wife will become the future queen of this kingdom. Are you aware of this?
Eye of the gods, I am aware.
And I want to equally believe you are aware that you are supposed to remain very sacred and very solemn. Stay away from everything that can contaminate within these 100 days of this ritual. Are you equally aware of this?
Onoma, I've heard what you said.
And you are prepared?
I am prepared.
Good. Good.
My prince, have you heard what Onoma said? Eh? Do you have any maiden in mind? Because you cannot present that rouge maiden. Eh? That's second Ukunu. No. You cannot present that maiden. See what I'm going to do. Let's tell Her Majesty to help you and look for a good maiden.
Uko, my problem with you is that you don't mind your business. You talk too much. And this is the reason I built a separate wing away from the palace. I enjoy my privacy.
But my prince, why must a prince stay away from a maidens because of a ritual? Eh? Why must he be secret? Why? Because I cannot be prince. Oh. No. Because anything that has to do with stay away with maidens, don't involve me in that. Don't involve me. Prince, are you there? My prince. Prince? Oh, yes.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, young maiden. What are you called?
My prince, my name is Oroma.
Oroma. What a beautiful name for a beautiful maiden.
Thank you, my prince.
I can see you have a heavy pot of water on your head. If you don't mind, my friend here, Ukunu, can help you carry the pot of water to your hut. Huh?
Don't worry, my prince. I'm almost home. Thank you.
Very well then.
My prince. Prince, are you with me? My prince. So if they allow you, you allow me to carry that pot of water for that maiden. A maiden you have not even go down with. And you allow me, Ukunu, to carry water. Prince? 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 My prince, it seems like you are interested in that maiden.
Is it that obvious?
My prince, Ukunnu will always say what he is sort of. It's obvious.
Well, she's so beautiful. She has some aura that interests me.
It's true, my prince. She's beautiful. But we need to find out her family. Maybe he's a daughter of that madman, or a drunkard, or a slave. Oh, let's find out first.
I don't blame you. Now you have to find out more things about her.
Okay, my prince.
Her name is Mporoma. Understand?
Yes, my prince.
Ukunno, can you talk to me? Did you get the information?
My prince, I have a good and a bad news about that maiden.
Okay, let me hear them.
She's a maiden with no friends or siblings. Just her and her mother. She don't have time for any man.
Interesting. Very interesting. Thank you for the information, Uku. Get ready, we are going to Adaeze kingdom.
My prince, I hope it's not because of that same maiden.
And what if it's because of her? My friend, will you go and get ready?
The lady you seek to know about is the daughter of the late chief hunter of Adaeze kingdom. She's a maiden. She's the one whom everyone cares to be with. She has even rejected the prince of our land.
Thank you very much. I am glad for this information. You can go now. I will send word across to you.
Thank you, my friend.
Did you hear what that young man just said? This maiden have rejected all the men that is coming to marry her. She even rejected the prince of the land. Is it you? A stranger? No!
Ukunno, do not worry about me. I've gotten all the information I want. And I've also confirmed yours. My decision still remains. And nothing changes. Go.
Hey, son of the white lion, you are stubborn. Eh? I've not seen a prince that is stubborn as you are. Eh? Who is telling you something? Now this is your decision.
Those people that commended her then are still the same people saying ill things about her. What happened? There must be more to this.
Oh no, Tiorekem. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. My prince. Oh no. Oh no. Hey, my prince. You are disturbed. What troubles your heart? Eh? I hope it's not that loose maiden for my sister kingdom.
I have been informed of her recent behavior around the kingdom. But, Ukunno, don't you think there is more to this? I mean, were you not the one that told me that she's well behaved when I told you to go and get information about her?
My prince, that was then. People change. Maybe she decided to become a loose maiden.
Oh, Ukunno, must you joke about everything? Must everything be joked to you? How can someone decide to be loose all of a sudden?
Life happens. That is life, my prince. See, I will advise you forget about that loose maiden and concentrate on maidens in this kingdom. Adaeze, I'll be okay. If not for one thing, I would have called you Prince Uku. But that title is for me. I am the original Uku, the number one Uku in this village. See, forget about that loose maiden. Concentrate on beautiful maidens in this kingdom. Now, Oyeze.
Uku, no. I want to be left alone.
Go on. I'm giving you. You are using get out for Uku because of a loose maiden. Your best friend. You are telling me that to get out.
I wonder when you will have sense.
It's okay, please.
I wonder when you will have sense.
I'm going.
You don't have a single sense. My friend. Yeah. Just be joking.
You are so sweet. Eh? Yes. You are so sweet. Eh? If you are so sweet. Even my Uku can testify. You are something else. Okay.
Now that you've enjoyed me to your satisfaction, why are you not saying anything? The prince, have you spoken to him? Does he love me? Is he saying he's coming to meet my people?
See, now you have nothing to worry about. Eh? With the information you have given to me, I will use it and start poisoning the prince's mind, letting him know the need to marry you. Yes.
So I should wait for a positive response.
Very positive. But one more thing. When you finally marry the prince, will Uku still have the opportunity to be swimming down your sukumi?
Uku, just talk to the prince for me.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hey! Why am I not even a prince? Huh? Huh? Namoko, why do you decide to be a hunter in this life instead of a king? Huh? Look at me. Prince Uku. All the maidens in the village will be coming to my hut. Uku no. Prince Uku, yes. The journey is a bit far. I will be on my way.
No problem.
I will be on my
Bye. Don't forget your promise, so.
No. Hope it's not all my friends that are following me into the bush.
Come, I beg you, say this girl.
Eh,
you name me, say miss.
Well,
I decided to he was asking for direction, so I showed him.
You were showing him around, right? You're showing me around now, I guess. So when did this closeness start? Just tell me.
What is your business? This one that you want to do now, what is your business? That is why you're a town crier.
You know I have business with you because you're my friend. I need to know everything about you.
Come. Excuse. Why is it that every time you want to talk, you can't do, you're my friend? You're my friend. You're my friend, you're my friend. And so, you want to tell the whole world that I am your friend. You have told the whole world. But this one that you appear and disappear from nowhere. Anyway, you appear and disappear. Respect yourself, oh. If I remember you. What is this? Don't name me anything. Don't name me anything. What are you looking? No look for where you're going.
You can shout, oh. Mama, leave me now. Hapunumaka. What I'm going to collect outside there, you will not give it to me. I'm going there to collect him now. Leave me alone.
You have to go through me before you go out of this house. Okay,
why will I go through you? Why will I go through you? What is all this now?
Because I am your mother.
What I'm going to collect outside, you will not give it to me. You don't have manhood. What is this now?
I'm going to collect it. I'm going to
Mama. Oh, Mama, leave me now.
What is going on here?
I don't know. I don't know why Mama does not want me to go out.
She wants to go out. You know how she behaves. And I said no, that she has to go through me before she go out.
Why will I go through you?
Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Calm down. Mama, don't worry. I will handle it.
I will handle it.
Mama, don't worry. Mama, don't worry. I will get her. Don't worry.
I told you.
I will get her.
You feel like don't respect yourself there. Zuzu ariwa, collect wa. Eh? Mbada jota, nka jota. Hey.
Let me be. Leave me. Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Do you want to kill your poor mother?
Listen to me, Adana.
Are you the only loose maid in this kingdom?
I don't care. I don't care. Please, stay away from me.
You don't care. Mboma, come back here. Goodness me. What is wrong with this girl? Oh. You know, of course I know she's going to run. Maybe she's going to pick 1 or 2 village boys to go and do her usual in the bush. What is wrong with her? Come back here.
I thank the gods she did not see me. If not, I would not have escaped her dragging me to the bush. I thank the gods.
My prince! My prince! My prince!
It's not your prince. This is Ukunnu. The prince say he don't want to see you.
Don't
so come
touch
with
me. Oh, what is it? What do you mean the prince don't want to see me? Are you not supposed to be aiding me? You're supposed to help me. So go and wake him up. Tell him that I'm here to see him.
Can we forget about the aiding and the helping? The prince cannot see you now. Don't start this your sweet waste here. This is palace.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, don't touch me. Uku. What was the meaning of that thing?
What was the meaning of what?
What was the meaning of that?
What was the meaning of what?
You're supposed to support me. You're supposed to aid me in talking to the prince. You're supposed to speak to him.
See, I cannot disrespect the prince because of a maiden like you. No!
Uku, I don't even understand what you're talking about. You're supposed to tell the prince that I am the perfect maiden for him. You're supposed to tell the prince that I am the one he's to marry. What is all this ones you're saying?
Maidens like you are not worthy to be with the prince. Not at all.
How dare you? Do you know who I am? Uku, do you know who you're speaking to?
Oh, you hear the loose maiden whose Uku has gone down her Sukumi. Yeah, that's who we are. Yes. You know, the problem with you is that you are so desperate and so loose. A maiden like you will never marry the prince. See, if you can allow me to swim down your Sukumi, that means you are loose. Who knows how many men in this village who have gone down and swim down your Sukumi? Huh? See, don't come close near the prince again. You have lost this battle, eh? Take heart. Take heart. Yeah?
Hey. Hey. Burumuga Bowakwa. Oh. Burumuga Bowakwa. This one that everybody is running away from me. What am I going to do? I've been waiting for Ifechuku then. He's here to show up. That's what I'm telling you about. No, I can't jikwanya. Ebiata no burumu tupu ogbawa. Hey. Nah, it's baka my ejechi anuku osisi o. I'm so good to see Chigodu ni ya before ogbawa.
Oye? What happened? This one, your face is blazing fury. What is going on?
I do not have time for talks, please.
I know you will not have time for talks. How can you have time for talks? Coming from this direction. I don't even know if you're going for the prince or the bodyguard. Oye, what is happening with you? What is wrong?
What is your business with me? Keyo, what is your business with me?
We have a very rich business, though, because you're my friend. Only for once, you've not even gone to Mama's house to check on her to know how she's doing. That's not fair. Are we not friends anymore?
Please, I beg you. I will not be associated with such character. Ever! Like I said to you, I am burning with fire. Do not block my way today.
You don't need to tell me, eh? Looking at your face, I can even feel the fire coming from your face. I can feel it. Maybe you're upset because the prince doesn't want you, right? He doesn't want you. Oni. Oni, you can't talk again. Oh yeah, please, better change your ways, oh, because this thing you're doing is not funny. It's not. Oh yeah. I don't even know what. Oh yeah, please come. Come and finish this.
All the while I've been having all the men in this village, I have not tested a man of the gods who will use his physical and spiritual strength and give it to me the way I want it.
I don't understand what is going on. Onuma is a very busy man. You cannot hurt me here along the road, only to be staring at me, almost dancing. What is the problem?
Onuma, I know what I want to say, but I don't know how to say it.
Can you just find a way to say it? Anywhere at all. Just say it. Let me see if it is something I can handle here for you or something that I have to get back to my house to take care of. Just say it.
It is something you will handle here for me.
What is it?
Achomi Lagi.
Hey!
Yes,
Are you sick?
I'm not sick. Even if I'm sick of you. I want you to take me to a nearby bush. Hold on, let me. There is space here. Here is very perfect for the job.
Perfect for what?
Just for the job. I'll just bend for you like this.
Hey! Can you stop this nonsense? What is wrong with you?
Everything is wrong with me.
Listen, I forgive you. I forgive you because it is very obvious you don't even know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing.
But I know that the day of your liberation is coming. When that day comes, you are going to understand better. Stop this! Stop this!
I know that your manhood, Mbage, will be as huge as you are.
What?
Because look at you, you are very huge. Yeah, Mbage Gadikwa very huge. Just I'll bend way for you, Makulugi of Mona.
You're not okay. You're not okay. Ola will keep you. Hey!
I have not tested.
Listen, control whatever thing that is holding you. No. You might be HDNC.
I've not tested a man of the gods, please.
Hey!
Chineke, please, Onuma, please. Onuma, where show me from Azu. I'll just bend for you like this. Ogbu, I'm okay. Even if it's only the cap, just put it inside. I'll be fine. Hey, what's up, Ogbu?
O ye evil daughter of a good man, why have you decided to make yourself available to be used as a disciple of evil? Why?
I would have insulted you, but my father warned me of the great seer of Akika Kingdom. But
Hey. You should not be opening your mouth and talking when you are standing before a man like me. When you are opportuned to stand before someone like me, you should listen and learn.
Do you have anything to say to me?
Desist from the path you are treading. Else, you are going to end up like the stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave.
If the prince says this is not ordinary, then I believe him. Because I know who my daughter is then. I brought her up well. She was so reserved, but now, all of a sudden, she became so loose that she cannot be controlled. I shouldn't have sit and watched her. I should have read meanings into her recent behavior and see things beyond the ordinary. If not, I could remember those days when she kept rejecting suitors and maintained that she is not ready for any man or marriage. Ma, the prince was here earlier today. He came in with some gifts at the backyard when I was cooking.
So those items at the backyard came from the prince?
Yes. Oh, you've seen them? Yes.
Of what use, Mama? No, I want to understand. Of what use?
I don't understand.
Why is he bringing us gifts? Did you tell him that we are hungry? I want to know.
What is your problem? Huh? What is wrong with you? It is the wish of every maiden for a prince within their land or outside their land to talk to them, not to talk of visiting them and bringing gifts.
I don't care. I am not interested in the prince, so he should stop bringing us gifts. I thought the prince is betrothed to someone else. So why is he showing interest in me all of a sudden? Why? I want to know.
Are you asking me?
Okay. Mama, please. Like I said, I am not interested in the prince. So you should stay away from me. I am not interested in any man for now. I want to be with you, Mama. I want to be here with you. I don't want to leave you alone. For now, I don't want. I want to be with you. They should just leave me alone.
Listen, my daughter, I understand. But you need to go to your husband's house and build your own family. So that when I will come to your house with pride and happiness. I will say I'm going to see my daughter and her children. When I come, my grandchildren will rally around me. They will call me grandma.
Mama, relax. A time will come when all these your wishes will come to reality. And that time is not now. Okay? Not with the prince. Yes, not with him. So just let's forget about this topic.
Does she think that she's getting younger? There's no time more. This is the right time for you to get married, though. Murumma. This is the right time. How will I just open? What do I do for you? I agree with the prince that this is not ordinary. If not, why will she start behaving loose all of a sudden? What happened? I don't know why my mind did not cross this. I thought she just chose to follow a destructive path. I must get to the root of all this. It is now or never.
Why have about Jodolo? O kweke ka na-ebu ụzọ ajụ ka mmalị ebe a ya eme ka iwe mebiri emebi wee dịba mma. Ajụọ na-ekesi akịrị ka o si wee dị. Ajụọ ka iwe niile ekpuru iru n'ala. Ịma na ore ka ya ajụ ọzọ. Ajụọ ore si ya. Kedu iwe ya eme abara wee sụọ nya nri. You're a way of ma. A man for you, Bunia. A man for you, Bunia. Woman, from what I see here, the issue concerning your daughter is a very delicate one. Look at it.
I'm the Gracia of Akika Kingdom. I know how powerful you are. That is why I left my village all the way to this place to seek for your help. Please help me. Please.
Go home. Come back in 2 market days. By that time, I would have gathered all the things we need for the cleansing ritual.
Thank you, great one.
I pray the gods will hear our prayer when the time comes.
You say, thank you, great one.
And when coming, try and come with her.
I'll do that. I'll come with her. Thank you.
This world is full of evil. I pray always that the gods will not ever allow us to become victims. Yeah? What are we going to do?
Why are you here, young maiden?
Ezemo, I said I want to hurt the prince's friend. I want him to go through pain and agony. I want him to suffer. That is why I am here.
Young maiden, why don't you leave all this and concentrate on your life? You are too concentrated on how to destroy or punish people with or without offense.
Ezemo, just get to the point.
That young man is protected by the forces guiding the palace. You cannot harm him. Go home and face the doom coming your way soon. Do not destroy your destined husband.
Maka chief know that you are the Ezemo of this village, eh? Go home. Is that why you are shouting? You would have told me you don't have any powers anymore now. Which one is go home? Come on to hurt somebody, you cannot hurt the person.
Go home!
Why will you go home? Go home! You stay in your home, you're in your home. Why do I even waste time? Go! If you shout for me again, in a para. Go!
You dare me! You dare Jabatana Manu! You dare Dinkenkenyi! You dare me! I would have crushed you without.
Hapomo. Wait again, Chelu. See, I want to go and see the woman that is betrothed to me.
Emeka, I don't care. I don't care where you are going to. Just follow me to the bush. Can I do chalo ofu? Please, onu nabo. Ichokwa emezu onye ito, I'll be okay. Because na gusi mi ko jim no, please.
You, onu nabo phone, onu nabo mobeto. You that I waste all my strength and energy on your waist. You still tell me that you are not satisfied. Eh?
It is true that you don't satisfy me. Mana afro came make afro. At this point, I can manage you. Let's just go. Because just chitu.
Boroma.
Chitu.
Don't manage me, man chitu. No. If you dare follow me, oh no. And when me chitu again. If you like Megi.
Ojim Nanjo.
That you say again.
Please now, I'm begging you. See, let me tell you something. I will not waste your time. I will not waste your time. Just put only the cap, only the tip of the cap. I will be fine. Or mafia and cause.
So you want to follow me to wherever I'm going? Oh yeah, now what we call the whole village. Help! Oh! Help! Help! Help!
Villagers, help!
Because chitunu mi ano ya.
Next time you stop me, you will see what I'll do to you.
Emeka, because chitunu mi ano ya. Just the car.
Come on, get away from me.
Just the tip of your car, but Emeka, wait for me, please.
So where is she?
Oh, she stepped out. Oh, here she is.
You're welcome, my love.
Can you please keep the greetings, okay? What I want is your mba. Just take me inside my heart, eh? I want to taste the strength of your manhood. I know that it will be huge as you. I know that your manhood will be as huge as you because you're a huge man.
Get hold of yourself.
Mama, will you stop this? Mama, come on, stop it. What has come over you?
Mama, I want to taste his
manhood.
Mama, I want to taste his manhood. That's the only thing I want. Hey.
Mama.
Mama, to not come
I will see you people some other time.
My prince, please, I am sorry.
My prince, please.
Forgive her.
Please, I beg you. Just the tip. Put only the cap. Scratch it on the surface.
Mama,
prince.
Mama, thank you.
Mama, please tell him to. Just let him go.
I need to go and see Onoma myself. Will our predicament ever have any solution?
My prince, are you okay? What is wrong? Adaeze, you have been troubled since you returned from our sister kingdom. Are you sure you are okay? Prince, what is wrong with Prince? Huh? Should I follow him? No. Ogbu, Maidens, bring something. Bring something, eh? Bring bushmeat for me. Maidens, bring something. Just imagine that I'm Prince Ukunu. Bring something for me. Bring bushmeat and palm wine.
One day, do not look at the Bejas Suniji, not the whatever college. That the man of the gods is the man of the gods is because when he call on the gods, they respond. If you can be any room, you can even know one when they pull Kunuma. Oh, then I bet you run your good on what you buy for. Believe I in them. Already been a the Bama Gajas and the Daddy. When I was a good one as I want the one, I believe Buzo. I
want to go and take, even if only the cap. Let me just put.
Praise the Lord now. What you did, Niano? Oh, you wouldn't me. Oh, you wouldn't me. Hi.
Hey. He's actually very handsome.
Shut up.
Do you remember someone who gave you a gift sometime in the past? Think. Concentrate, I think. A gift.
How will I concentrate?
Concentrate now.
Mama, to now come on, concentrate. I don't know. How do you expect me to remember? Able to now come on, eh? I'm telling you that something is crying. Leave me now. Leave me alone. What's that?
Hear me out.
Hear you out? How? What is it?
Okay, I don't know why you hate me this much. What have I done?
What do you want from me?
I want to marry you.
Ogenikwa, you want to marry me? Just like that?
See,
you want to marry me?
You need to give me a chance. I love you. I want to marry you.
Okay. I don't love you. Read my lips. I don't love you. So please, stop disturbing me. I don't want to marry you. In fact, you're not even my spec. Please, stop disturbing me.
Yeah, it's okay. I will not disturb you again. After all, you are not the only fine maiden in this kingdom. And only multiple men will be able to calm her down.
Listen, thank you. But are you sure? I'm not talking about small multiple men, no, because when you say small multiple men, you don't understand what I mean. What I mean is that I want her to sleep with all the men in this village. From one corner to another, from one bush to another. She'll be jumping from houses. Both the sick, both the lame, the poor, the rich. Short, I want her to sleep with all the men in this village. Ezemo, this maiden in question, she's not beautiful than I am. Never. But yet, all the young eligible men in this village have decided they want to go and marry. Ezemo, if it's you, would you be happy?
Your problem is that you talk too much. I have already assured you that you will get the results of what you asked for. Make sure she wears that. Then you will come back to me and thank me later.
Thank you, Ezemo. Thank you.
Nkuruma. Yes, only that come. Come on. Onyechi. What is this one?
I brought a beautiful gift for my dear friend because I know this will suit you more. You have to waste a gift.
What is that? Onyechi. Jigida. Umanuku. Yes. This is beautiful.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You shouldn't have bothered yourself. You know I have mine.
We're friends. Mine is soon that I'm wearing now. I want you to wear too. Put it on so we'll see how it looks on.
That's so thoughtful of you. Maybe I'll wear it later when I'm done taking my bait.
Oh, now wear it now.
You want to know if it fits?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Well done. I just hope it will fit.
See, told you. Very beautiful.
Yes.
You like it?
It's beautiful.
Thank you. I just remembered my mother sent me on an errand. I'll come and check on you later. So let me go and do what my mother sent me. Oh?
Thank you so much for gifting me this.
Always wear it.
I will.
Sign of our friendship.
Thank you. Hey. I can't wait to show my mother. This is so fun. Such a good friend. Obimo. Obinkemu.
Mama, is this you?
Yes, it is me, Obinna.
Please. I don't want your trouble this time.
Obinna, calm down. I'm not here for troubles, okay? Obinna, please, just follow me to the bush, Because I do tell Obele, please.
For what? What are we doing in the bush?
Are you not a man? I know I know that your manhood is very strong and big. Please come and give it to me. Oh, Jim, no. We can even start from here.
Mama, are you sure you are okay?
But here, I'm fine. Let's go to the bush. Because to me. Oh, Jim, no. Come now. Are you not a man?
I am telling you. I had that girl 3 times today. Look at you. I had her 3 times today. And more also, our young men in this village have taken possession. One thing about these guys, whenever she sees a man, she loses control of herself. Are you sure? Utu, are you talking about the Mporoma that I know? Or are you referring to another person? It is the Mporoma that you know. Both of us know. It's like she's new in the game. She is so excited whenever she sees a man. And the day I went there, I entered that place. The whole place was tight. I forced my way in. You are making me feel that the Mkporo that I know is now Mkporo. I know that she is a well-behaved maiden. But what happened? Emeka, people change. People change. After all the shakara she was, doing. I really love that maiden, honestly. But she showed me pepper. Eh? She showed me pepper. In the village now, she is distributing herself to all our young men. So the Mkporo, the Mkporo that I've been crushing on is a distributor. No. I will not just take it. I must surely go and find out if all these things are true or not. Emeka, forget about what you had. I am telling you now as my own friend. Go and take your own possession because she is busy now distributing in the village. Emeka, if everything you've said now is true, I must tar my own. Go and tar. Kama mnaga hata. Ndi na ata ha kwusi. Gata. I must tar. Gata. Mata lele. Mo ata gokwam. Eme nwata ka ebeli ibe ya. Odi nwata mma. Obi ade ya mma. Mata.
Now do you remember?
Yes. Yes, I remember. A friend of mine gave me this as a gift.
That maiden who claims that she loves you and made you that gift is actually an enemy in disguise. That is why she gave you the gift, which she fortified with all the curses that she can remember. And all the curses that she placed on the gift she made you are the reasons you are in this mess.
Hey! Cause of our land. Great one, please. I am only a poor widow. She's the only one I have. Help me, please. Help me. Thank you.
Onoma, please. We are here for remedy. Do something. I know what you can do.
It's alright. Let the process begin.
Onye, you know I'm not really happy with you.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes I don't like the way you behave. Of course we are friends. And we should watch each other's back. As friends that we are.
Well, I just said I am sorry. Please forgive me, my friend. And stop being angry with me. Oh?
Onye, what? Please stop this your drama.
Where's my Uku?
What's happening?
Where's my Uku?
Onye, please stop this drama. Let's go, Joe.
My husband? Where's my husband?
Onye, stop now. Stop. You're scaring me now.
Take me to my husband. Take me to my husband. I want to see my husband.
Onye, please. Onye.
Wait. My husband. Where's my Uku? Uku, my husband. Uku, my husband. Come to your wife. My husband. Uku! Uku, where are you? Uku! My husband. My husband. My husband.
What is going on here?
Relax, okay? Relax, oh?
My prince! What is my babe doing with him?
I need you to take her home. She's okay.
Thank you, great one.
I will give you something that she will rub on her body before she goes to sleep. The curse is reversed.
Thank you, great one. Thank you.
It has gone back to the one who sent it.
Oh.
And that was the secret arrangement that she was not even informed of. At the very moment this one regains her consciousness, the whole curses will go back to the one who sent it and will remain on her until the end of time.
Good. Good.
What curse is he talking about?
Don't worry, I will tell you.
Thank you very much, Onoma, for all the good work you've been doing. May the gods reward you.
He will reward you, Bob.
Thank you, great one.
Thank you very much.
May your chi continue to be with you. Thank you. I can go home now. Let's go. You're free.
Yeah.
You're free.
Mama, please, take good care of her. Always keep your eyes on her.
I will, my prince. Thank you for always being there for my daughter and I. Indeed, it shows you have a genuine love for her. Thank you.
I love her so much regardless. I know this is a phase and it will be over soon.
You're right. Thank you. And my regards to your people, your family.
I will. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ma, I'm still in shock. Of course, I know that girl to be a schemer, but not to this extent. Mama no be the one even to her friend, Mama. Mama, please, do not be hard on yourself. Oh.
The heart of man is evil. You never can tell what is in there. You never can tell. But the gods are paying her back in her own coin. I never wished her evil. I wonder why she has to do this to my only daughter.
Mama, it's okay. I'm sorry about everything that happened. An evil person will always remain evil. And we never think of anything good.
You're right. Yes, you're good.
I want to be left alone. Everybody should just give me space, please. I want to be on my own.
Roma, my friend. Of course I understand how you feel. I feel your pain. But then you need people around you. You need friends around you. People like me who loves you dearly. Of course, you know I take you as a sister I never had. Please, always call me anytime, any day to be around you.
I appreciate both the ones that love me and the ones that hate me. It's okay. I just pray that the gods would give me a second chance so that I can get my life back together.
Mama. Mama.
Oh,
Mama, please, it's okay. Please, promise me you're going to take care of her.
I will.
And I pray that our God will answer our prayers and grant us our desires. Mama, please, stop crying. Please. You promise you'll not cry again?
I promise you. I will not cry.
Okay. All right, Mama.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I promise me you'll come and be checking up on her.
I will even return back this evening.
Oh?
It's all right. Bye-bye.
Make off, man. No one.
Okay, Mama.
Madekereke Ebuka. Madebuka. Ah. Ogbu. Madebuka.
My prince, you're here.
Come and sit.
I feel so ashamed of myself, my prince. I don't know why you keep coming around to console me. My prince, I'm not worthy of you. I'm not.
Mkpurumma, you are just a victim of a circumstance. Do not worry yourself. Everything will be fine. Soon, people will start to forget the past. Your ability to write the future is what's important now.
My prince, you will not understand. You will not understand what I'm saying. It will forever be in the history of this kingdom of how loosed I was. Yes, it will forever be in the history of this kingdom that I was a loosed woman. Don't you understand?
Stop thinking too much, okay? All I see is a beautiful future with you. Yes.
You still want me, despite everything that happened?
Yes, I still want you. And I will always want you.
Adaeze! Adaeze!
What do I owe this visit? Great year of our time.
It is bad of you to plan. Marrying the maiden we performed the ritual cleansing on few days ago.
Why, if I may ask?
You may decide to forget all things, but I am sure you are not going to forget. You are the crown prince of Akeka kingdom. Any maiden who is going to be your wife will ultimately become the queen of this kingdom, and that maiden must be exposed to her husband, a virgin. Her husband must be the very first man that will experience the woman in her. A maiden who has been opened by multiple men is already disqualified.
What are you trying to say?
You will have to forget about that maiden. Forget about that maiden if you are still interested in retaining your position as the crown prince of this kingdom.
Onuma, there must be a way out.
There is only one way, like you said. And the only way out is for you to decide what you want. You want to be the crown prince of this kingdom and emerge the king eventually. Listen to me. You prefer to be with that woman, you forget about that position. For the second time, I'm telling you, the choice is yours.
Hey! Hey!
Onyedikachi, good thing you are here. Because I was actually hoping to find you wherever you are and give you an important message from the gods.
I cannot sleep well at night again. I have been having bad dreams lately. Please help me. Help me on.
You are having bad dreams because you have not managed to fulfill the desires of the gods over your own life. Huh? Do you remember that maiden who is running mad?
Oh yeah, the loose maiden.
She is your wife.
God forbid.
She is the wife that you must have to marry.
Hey!
She is the one you've been seeing in your dreams.
May the gods forbid. How can the gods punish me with such punishment?
The gods are always wise. Find that maiden because she is already carrying your child. Else, you are going to live a very miserable life.
Onuma, please, let me bring more goats. Let's give the gods. Let's find a solution. I can add it to a cow. Onuma, please.
The only solution is to do what I have just told you.
Hey!
Find that maiden who is already carrying your child. She is the one that is your wife. Else, you are going to live a very miserable life.
Oh no, ma, it's not better to live a miserable life than to marry a madman, a mad woman. Eh? If I'm to be your son, will you accompany me to go and marry a mad woman? No!
But fortunately for me, I am not your father. You know who your father is. When you have decided to make her your wife, you go with your kinsmen. Your kinsmen are ready to go with you.
How can I go to my kinsmen and ask them to accompany me to marry a mad woman? No, now Onuma will run to you to solve our problem. But this one you have disappointed us. You have disappointed me. This is not you, Onuma. Where is your powers?
When you were disappointing the gods of your family, did you consult me?
Oh, this is there. Who's the husband?
My husband.
Come on.
My husband.
Who's the husband?
Cuckoo, my husband. Cuckoo, my husband. Cuckoo, my husband. Cuckoo. Where you wait? Wait. Cuckoo, wait.
Hey.
Cuckoo, my husband. Cuckoo, my husband. Wait.
Help me. Hey, Ukwu can see where after all the whole sukumi, I ended up with a mad woman. No. Oh, Dross gone now.
See our baby. Go and catch it. Go catch our baby. Go catch our baby. Go catch our baby. Go catch our baby.
My love.
Go catch our baby.
I will. Oh, hey.
I have told you countless times that I'm not worthy of you, but you wouldn't listen to me.
You are worthy of any man. What happened was not your fault. You're just a victim of circumstances.
I just feel like taking my life. I just feel like ending it all. I'm tired. Everybody in this kingdom hates me. They are mocking me. They are making jest of me. I just want to end everything.
Urumma. The past is in the past. The future is what matters. Despite the fact that Onoma said what he feels about the tradition. But I'm ready to forfeit anything for you. I love you. And that's what matters. My heart lies with you. Please, let us wait and see what the future holds for us. Please.
You are such a good man. And I want to tell you this. Even if we don't end together as man and wife, I will always love and respect you because I hold you to high esteem. You are different from others.
And you will remain the one my heart beats for. You will remain my moonlight. Mom.